All right, listen, I know you like rad stuff. I know you like cars, you like RC cars, you like anything with a motor. Just hit subscribe. Watch my stuff. It's sick. We have a good time on here. Today, what I'm doing is I got some new goodies. But what you guys don't know is I actually signed a pretty good deal. I'm now a factory Yokomo driver for 10 scale. Most of you guys know I've been sponsored by Gamma for like 5 years. I got a step up on that sponsorship, so that's pretty sick. So I've got the new Gamma coming, and today what we're doing is first we've got to go drop off some packages for the company I just relaunched, by the way. Link is in the description, man. Y'all check out my cleaning solution. But anyways, I've got new Muchmore stuff for my Yokomo 10 scale stuff for both buggies. Fully decked in Muchmore stuff. We're gonna put the 4-wheel drive together today because I already did the 2-wheel drive. We're gonna solder it up. Everything should go together sick. I got some real horsepower for this thing. I'm talking about real, like a 6-turn, so it should be really fast. We're going racing this weekend, so that should be fun. But yeah, let's get the day started. So we have here a Muchmore. This is a 7.6 volt 4500 battery. This is a high voltage battery, so it should give this unit here a whole lot of kick. This thing is trick, man. Like this is a real unit. This is a 6-turn, as you can see here. This is a very, very fast motor. I've seen a few of the Ryans run it, you know, the very fast Ryans. But my name's Zach. This is a very, very, very smooth ESC, the Fleeta Pro V2. This thing is so nice, so compact, very, very, very light. If you compete on a high level, this is definitely what you want. This is the type of stuff you want. Don't pay any attention to this. This is an old battery. I was just mounting up this the battery strap to see kind of where the battery would be. Anywho, but this stuff is sick. We will get this mounted up when we get back. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So yeah, some of you guys might not know, I did put some new stickies on the rig. They look good, some BFG All terrains, the newer style. But the truck looks awesome, man. I love it. It is definitely a bro rig. It looks good. All right, man, so the last thing I know you guys want is me talking, but listen. So I just relaunched my company CleanWorks. Sorry, let me put on my seatbelt. So I just relaunched my company CleanWorks. And basically what we are doing is we sell cleaning solutions to the motorsports industry. So RC cars, mountain bikes, well, that would be an action sport, but them too. Skateboard guys with their bearings, because it is a degreaser. Race car guys. The Warrior race team up in Tennessee, they use our stuff. So we've really been pushing it. It's 100% mine. So it's awesome, man. And you know, I appreciate all of my followers, my Facebook followers, my Instagram followers, pretty much everybody who's been behind me relaunching that brand. I had it a few years ago, and I just really didn't know what to do with it or what I wanted to do with it. And now I've really had a ton of people pushing me to kind of restart that and get it going. And I can't complain, man. It's been awesome. Like, the ride has been amazing. So I'm gonna push it to the fullest, you know, and I appreciate everyone who's buying, who's looking, who's admiring, who's inspired. I appreciate everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually setting up a program to help out kids in motorsports and kids that are in action sports. So if you are a kid, or if you have kids that are in, you know, motorsports, that race moto, karting, whatever you guys do, shoot me an email. My email will be dropped below. And I would love to hear your story, and if I can be of help to you. I'm not a rich man by any means. Yes, I have some cool stuff, but like, I literally work my behind off, and I come from nothing. You know, so that's how I allot myself to have these things. I've got a great partner who, you know, she really is behind me no matter what I do, you know, and that's what you need in life. So yeah, but that's kind of my thing, man, and I appreciate everyone who's behind me. So we're gonna get these packages dropped off, and then I'm gonna get the four-wheel drive buggy done, excuse me, and we'll get ready to do some club racing at Easley this weekend. And if I have time, I'm gonna go help my buddy Jamie and Nick up at SMBRC on Sunday, help them tear apart their track, because they're actually getting a whole new layout, so that should be rad also. But yeah, once again, man, if you're watching this and you support the grind, you know, entrepreneurship, if you like racing, if you like anything cool, subscribe, you know, drop me a message, tell me what you think. Yes, I know I suck. I mean, I'm working on it, you know, whatever. But definitely drop a comment, hit the like button. Shout out to Knock Around, man. I've been rocking these glasses for at least 10 years, and you know, they're an awesome company. I have a coupon code for that I will put below also for you guys. But yeah, man, hit the subscribe button. All right, so I just got back from shipping stuff, and I've been working on my website. Link is in the description, but it is live now. It looks pretty cool. It took me a lot of work to get it to this point, but it looks pretty good, man. I built it with GoDaddy, and it looks pretty rad. Products are up there. If you guys are into any type of motorsports or action sports or anything like that, and you clean your stuff, holler at me. I am your boy. I can get you situated. The Roar qualifiers, not the Nationals. We'll be at all the Roar regional races here in the Southeast, and I'm really excited about that, because that's a big opportunity to get in front of some big eyes. It's a big fish. But yeah, let's put this buggy back together. Basically, all we're doing is waiting on the soldering gun to get hot, and then we will be soldering up all the power wires to the to the motor. These are going to be the leads that go to the battery. I've got this one short, this positive one. It's short to make sure that it goes to only the positive wire, so that we don't have any mix-ups there. But as you can see, the layout's going to look pretty good. I'm working on it currently, so we'll see how it comes out. I'm going to solder up the motor, and yeah, it should look pretty sick. I'm also going to do some shrink wrap here so that it looks a little bit more slick. I didn't do it on my two-wheel drive, but I should have. So I might unsolder that and do that. But I will definitely do it here. And I've also got to install the pinion gear, but it's a pretty easy task there. That's a pretty quick one. So we'll actually do that now. I should have done it beforehand, but hey. And maybe I should have done that first, but yeah. We'll get this all wired up. You guys will watch it in time lapse, but it'll be sick. So here we go. Alright, and just like that, she is done. I got the wiring done. It is super clean compared to what I usually do. I did use some heat shrink here to make it kind of look a little bit better. Batteries in, receivers in, waiting on a servo to get here tomorrow so we can go club racing. And yeah, the two-wheel drive, I need to clean this up a little bit and make it go through the waterfall so it looks a lot better. But besides that, the two-wheel drive looks really good too. This is definitely the most prepared I've ever been in terms of my equipment, so I can't really complain. But I've got a surprise, a really big surprise. So, the package I've been waiting for, the new buggy is here.
Contract.
Holy moly, it is here. It is here. The new 319 is here. It is here, it is here, it is here.